Welcome. I create equations to fit situations, or I create in a situation an equation. In the word gematria, G and E, M and A, this moves the ocean. This one letter will move the ocean because of games people play and where it comes from. It will create artificial intelligence because it is the 1 and the 3 or the 13th letter, 13 or 31. It's either M, it's either 13 is A and C, which creates Mac, 1 and 3 creates 4, it creates MacD, almost as in McDonald's. M13 in the pool gives me the orange ball. Orange is created from yellow and red, and from yellow and red, I get the chicken or the rooster that goes on top of the shul, on top of the church, excuse me, and that yellow or the yellow feet is your birth, and it will happen. 29 will happen because it is the same number as yellow. 29 is also the same number as black, showing me that black and yellow have a relationship together. 20 and 9, 5 times 4, 5 plus 4, and these will show up in the same numbers that will create the numeric number to Fox 666 and to the sun number 54. Now the reason for this is because Fox is number 45. The reverse of that is 54. To the 7th gate, 2 and 3, the BC world. Fox 6th position, 15th position, 24. 1 and 5 is 6, 2 and 4 is 6, 666 in numbers. In this video, all I want to show is where my vowels show up. A is 1, E is 5, I is 9, O is 6, U is 3, 3, 6, 9. Inside the 9 card, you will find the A. Inside the 9 card, you will find the E. All we will work with is 3, 6, and 9. 1 plus 5 will equal to your 6. Half of 6 is 3, and that is why we end up using the U, calling it W. In the Chaldean world, A and I are now in the A vowel. A is inside I, and J is the 10th letter inside of numbers. Q is the 17th letter, and it is an addition of 1 and 6 coming together, where the 0 will equal to 6 because in the 5 position, okay, we'll show you 8 numbers around one number. So in the 5 position, 8 that go around 1, 1 and 5 equals to 6. We're going to keep it simple. In mathematics, they tell us to multiply before we do anything else. They tell us to create what's outside the brackets first. If that's a division, you'll do your division. Then you'll do your multiplication above as below. So you would end up in your multiplication bringing in these 3 numbers over here. Okay, there is another numeric fashion that comes in. They call it low shoe, and that changes 1, 3, 5, 7, 9 and replaces them with 2, 4, 6, and 8. But let's not get mixed up. Now, we have O in the 7th position. O is in the 6th position. We also say the spirit is 76, right? 7 times 6, 42. 7 plus 6 is 13, or minus 13 equals to 55, and will equal to 29, and that is your birth. This will happen every 4 years. There will only be one 29 month that ends, but there will always be, in a leap year, there will be 12 months of 29 days, because every month will have the 29th day. There will be four months. No, there will be 11 months. Okay, except for the, okay, there'll be 11 months of 30 days. And in every year, including the leap year, there will only be 7 months. Okay, there's 1 month of 28 days. There are 4 months, okay, of 30 days. And there are 7 months of 31 days. 1, 4, 7. Everything will have a relationship. What it means, we're not going to go there right now. We're just going to talk about this at the moment. So to continue on with this, I ask myself the question. In this house, the O, okay, which is the 15th letter in this house, the 15th letter, the 21st letter, this is the 9th letter, in which in this family, okay, of I is the R. In this family is the N and the W. In this family is the J and the S. In this family is the F and the X. And in the U family is C, L, and U. So I'm going to show you, okay, or try to show you how all of these, okay, have connections. I'm not sure what all the numbers do. We have to come together and debate what we're going to do. So O is in 7, O is in 2, and O is in 6. Remember, 15, 1 plus 5, which is the J and the E that comes together, and we'll say have a representation in the word I am. Now, 15 is 6, 21 is 3, 9, 6, and 3. I and R, fox, foxier. Clue is a new foxier, jazz. Clue, new, foxier, jazz. The new foxier clue in jazz. I don't know what it means. Artificial intelligence, the reason I mentioned in gematria, and tria, okay? Tria means 3. 3 of I and A, right? I and A is the first and the 9th letter. 1 times 3, 1 plus 3, equals to 3 equals to 4. 4 times 3 equals to 12, plus 3 and 4 equals to 7. The total is 19. The minus is the E, creates the E world. Okay, and that E world is going to be connected to that rooster on top of the church and pointing north. We haven't done the North Pole and the South Pole yet, and how we can possibly connect to two worlds. We haven't really spoken about what these will do. We haven't even mentioned that there's an X over here. We haven't talked about any of this, and we won't right now. Right now, it's the I, which means R, is now linked to the I in the Chaldean world under numeric value of 1. 1 times everything will remain the same number. 5 times anything will create anything to be half. 5 times any number will make that number look like half, except we'll have extra numbers before or after. 5 times 6 is 30. 3 plus 0 is 3. 6 will now be half. 2 will double up any number. 2 times 6 is 12. 1 and 2 is 3. It created half. 2 times 6 is 12. 1 and 2 is 3. 5 times 6 is 30. 3 plus 0 is 3. 2 and 5 come together and create an earth value. E in this world, O in this world. G is your gateway. C is your heaven. N is your AD-DNA. I use these because our, how can I say it? What is created through man comes from an outside source, the spirit world, the Holy Ghost, things we don't understand because most of us don't understand, but those who are into high reading hieroglyphics or whatever else, these people know. I just want to just do something a little different. From 1 through 6, from 1 through 6, from 1 through 6, from 1 through 6 will all equal to 21. In this one over here, okay, 21 will equal 373, 379. In this one over here, 26, 49. Let me get this. 75 average, 66 average, 75 and 66 is 130, is 141. Did I get that right? 26 plus 25 plus 24 plus 23 plus 22 plus 21 equals to 141. 141 divided by 3 equals to 47. And that number 47 is a really special number. It is the gateway. 4 brings you this way, right? 7 pitches, 4 will be balls, 3 will be strikes, but only 6 of them will count. Do you follow why? Because at 3 strikes, the most you can have is 3 balls. And at 4 balls, the most you can have is 2 strikes. So it's 3 and 3 gets you an X, 4 and 2 gets you a ball, gets you a walk. This gets you a walk. This is mass. This will represent the cat. 2, 3, 4 is our vibration. So all these things that has already been created is already telling us the story because we can't change the truth. And it's all hidden in the numeric fashion and numbers. The last thing I was going to mention, I don't even know if I still have it in here, and it had to do with red and black, which are going to create the positive and negative, are the only 2 colors that when you add white will create pink and gray and will not create a word to a light value. Anyways, we're going to leave it at that. Raphael 7286 and a constellation of Pegasus. Thank you for watching this video.